Hello and welcome to the video walk around the 57-inch Volvo V70 metallic black finish with the 17-inch Volvo alloy wheels. The vehicle's got privacy glass on the roof rails, rear parking sensors, and the front of the vehicle has got front forks and headlamp washers. Split folding rear seats and a luggage cover. Matching interior with 5 headrests, ISOFIX watch outside preparation. And for your safety, it's got front side and rear airbags. Memory driver seat, electric windows and folding mirrors, automatic transmission and a push button to start. It's got multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side, the center armrest with some storage department, the auxiliary is in there as well. It's got lumbar support on both seats, heated seats, AM/FM radio and a CD player, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, auto rear view mirror, and in the glove box we have the Uno's manual. This was the video walk around of the 57-inch Volvo V70. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.